Imagine making money while you sleep. Sounds too good to be true, right? Well, that's exactly what the Royal Q trading bot claims to do. But does it really work? In this video, we'll break down Royal Q step by step, show you how to set it up, discuss real profit potential, and reveal the risks no one talks about. Stay till the end, and let's find out if Royal Q is really worth it. By the end of this video, you will be aware of Royal Q and how to start trading to increase your capital and have successful income in life. But first, if you like becoming rich and wealthy, subscribe to my channel, like this video, and give me a thumbs up in the comments below. Also share this to others who want to start their trading journey. Royal Q is an AI-powered crypto trading bot that automates buying and selling, aiming to make profits while you sleep. But how does it work? Fully automated trading bot that works 24/7, supports Binance and Huobi exchanges, uses a quantitative trading model, buy low, sell high and small profits, can trade manually or via copy trading. Unlike some trading bots, Royal Q doesn't hold your funds. Instead, it connects to your exchange via an API and trades directly from your account, keeping your funds secure. Now, let's dive into how you can set up and start using Royal Q. Step 1. Register and subscribe. Sign up on the Royal Q app and pay the $120 annual subscription fee. Step 2. Connect to Binance, Huobi, or any supported exchange of your choice. Create an API key in Binance. Creating an API key is another step that needs explanation. I have put a link in the description below for the video explaining about API binding. Connect Royal Q to your exchange by using API binding. Step 3. Fund your exchange account. Add at least 100 USDT to 1000 USDT to start trading, and don't forget to keep extra funds for trading fees in the Royal Q app. Step 4. Choose a trading strategy. Manual mode. Set your own parameters for experienced traders. Or copy trading. Follow expert traders with proven results. Also, for how to master strategy settings, check the video on my channel for how to adjust your strategy settings in order to minimize risks. Once this is done, Royal Q will automatically start trading for you 24/7. Yes, the bot really makes money because it stays in the market for you. It monitors the selected crypto and invests when it falls price and takes profit when price increases more than buying price. As you can see, Royal Q always wins. The bot performs well in bullish markets but may struggle in bear markets. This is why risk management is key. Before you get excited, let's talk about the cost. Royal Q is not free. There is subscription fee, $120 per year, profit sharing, 20% of profits, trading capital needed, at least $100 to $1,000 USDT, Binance fees, additional trading fees apply. So while the bot is automatic, you still need a decent amount of capital to see meaningful profits. Crypto trading is risky. Here's how to minimize losses while using Royal Q. Start small. Don't invest everything at once. Use a stop-loss strategy. Set limits on losses. Diversify coins. Don't rely on one coin. Withdraw profits regularly. Don't reinvest everything. Many traders lose money not because of the bot, but because they take too much risk. Pros: automated 24/7 trading. No need for constant monitoring. Keeps funds in your Binance account. Copy trading helps beginners. Cons: requires upfront investment. No guaranteed profits. 20% profit sharing fee. Struggles in bear markets. If you're looking for a hands-free trading bot, Royal Q can work. But if you expect guaranteed profits, it's not for you. Some people claim Royal Q is a scam. So, what's the truth? Royal Q itself is not a scam, it's a tool. Whether you make money depends on your strategy and market conditions. So, should you use Royal Q? Yes, if you want hands-off trading and understand the risks, and no, if you expect guaranteed profits or have low capital. Trading bots are tools, not magic money machines. Always do your own research before investing. What do you think about Royal Q? Have you tried it? Let us know in the comments. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more crypto and finance content. Tell me in the comments if you want to start Royal Q. I'll reach out for full guidance.